Nestled in the heart of Rajasthan, Lakheri is a town that captivates with its unique blend of industry and nature. This small yet vibrant town is a testament to how human ingenuity can harmoniously coexist with the natural world. Lakheri is a town of intriguing contrasts. On one hand, it boasts a robust industrial sector with factories and machinery that drive the local economy. On the other hand, it is surrounded by serene, natural landscapes that offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of industrial life. It combines the dynamism of industry with the serenity of natural beauty. The town's industrial areas are bustling with activity, showcasing the hard work and dedication of its residents. These areas are a stark contrast to the tranquil natural settings that can be found just a short distance away. The serene, natural beauty of Lakheri is truly captivating. Green landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see, providing a perfect backdrop for relaxation and reflection. The calm environments offer a stark contrast to the busy industrial areas, creating a unique balance that is rarely found elsewhere. Located in the Bundi district, Lakheri is a place where the echoes of history resonate amidst picturesque landscapes. The town is home to several historical landmarks that tell the story of its rich past. These landmarks are set against the backdrop of scenic landscapes, creating a visual feast for visitors. The town offers a unique blend of cultural heritage and industrial significance. Its cultural heritage sites are a testament to the town's rich history and traditions, while its industrial areas highlight its role in the modern economy. This blend of old and new makes Lakheri a fascinating place to explore, making it an intriguing destination for the discerning traveler. Whether you are interested in exploring its industrial areas or immersing yourself in its cultural heritage, Lakheri has something to offer everyone. Its unique combination of industry and nature makes it a destination like no other. The town's history is intertwined with the establishment of a prominent cement factory in the early 20th century. This factory played a crucial role in shaping the town's industrial landscape and continues to be a significant part of its identity today. This industrial backbone coexists with the town's inherent natural beauty. The industrial structures are harmoniously placed within the natural settings, creating a unique visual contrast that is both striking and beautiful. Characterized by the flowing river Medj and the majestic Vidyan Hills, these natural features add to the town's charm and provide a stunning backdrop for its industrial areas. The river Medj flows gracefully through the town, while the Vidyan Hills stand tall and proud, adding to the town's scenic beauty. This unique juxtaposition makes Lakheri a compelling destination for those seeking a journey that transcends the ordinary. Whether you are drawn to its industrial prowess or its natural beauty, Lakheri promises an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable. The river Medj, a lifeline of Lakheri, meanders through the town, adding to its scenic charm. This river, with its crystal-clear waters, has been the heart and soul of the community for generations. It not only provides water for daily use, but also supports the local agriculture, making the fields around it lush and fertile. The river's gentle murmur is a constant companion to the townsfolk, a soothing presence that calms the mind and spirit. The river's gentle flow brings life to the surrounding landscape. It nourishes the flora and fauna, creating a vibrant ecosystem that thrives along its banks. The river is home to a variety of fish and aquatic plants, making it a haven for nature lovers and biologists alike. The lush greenery that lines the riverbanks is a testament to the life-giving properties of this waterway. Its banks offer tranquil spots for contemplation and reflection. People from all walks of life come here to find peace and solace, whether it's to read a book, meditate, or simply enjoy the beauty of nature. The riverbank is dotted with trees that provide shade and a cool respite from the sun, making it a perfect spot for picnics and family gatherings. The Vidyan Hills, standing tall and proud, form a majestic backdrop to the town. These hills are not just a visual treat, but also a geological wonder. With their ancient rock formations telling stories of the Earth's history, they have stood the test of time, witnessing the rise and fall of civilizations, and continue to be a source of inspiration and awe for the people of Lakheri. These ancient hills hold within them tales of time and change, whispering secrets to the wind. The wind that blows through these hills carries with it the whispers of the past, stories of ancient tribes and forgotten legends. The hills are a living museum, preserving the history and culture of the region in their rugged terrain and hidden caves. The hills, with their rugged terrain and panoramic views, provide ample opportunities for trekking and exploration. Adventurers and trekkers are drawn to these hills, eager to explore their hidden paths and discover the breathtaking vistas that await at the summit. The hills challenge the body and mind, offering a rewarding experience for those who dare to venture into their depths. They offer a sanctuary for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. The hills are a refuge for wildlife, with many species of birds, mammals and reptiles calling them home. Nature enthusiasts can spend hours observing the rich biodiversity, while adventurers can test their limits on the challenging trails. The hills are a place where one can reconnect with nature and find a sense of peace and fulfillment. The interplay between the river's flow and the hill's steadfast presence defines Lakheri's unique geographical character. This harmonious relationship between the river and the hills creates a landscape that is both dynamic and serene, a perfect blend of water and earth. It is this unique combination that makes Lakheri a place of unparalleled beauty and tranquility, a true gem in the heart of nature. Lakheri experiences a semi-arid climate characterized by distinct seasons. This unique climate shapes the daily lives of its residents, influencing everything from their routines to their cultural practices. Summers are scorching with temperatures soaring high. The heat can be intense, often reaching levels that make outdoor activities challenging. People seek shade and hydration, and the town seems to slow down under the relentless sun. The sun beats down relentlessly, testing the limits of endurance. The ground cracks under the pressure of the heat, and the air shimmers with rising heat waves. It's a time when survival instincts kick in and the community comes together to support each other. The air is dry and dusty, and the landscape shimmers under the intense heat. Dust storms are not uncommon, adding to the harshness of the season. Yet there's a beauty in the starkness, a resilience in the way life adapts to these conditions. Monsoons bring a welcome respite as the rains lash down, washing away the dust and dryness. The transformation is almost magical as the parched earth drinks in the water and the air becomes fresh and cool. The river Medj swells with the influx of water, and the surrounding vegetation bursts into life. Fields turn green, flowers bloom, and the entire landscape is rejuvenated. It's a time of renewal and growth, a stark contrast to the harsh summer months. Winters are mild and pleasant with cool breezes and clear skies. The temperature drops to a comfortable level, making it the perfect season for outdoor activities. People enjoy the crisp air and the clear starry nights. The nights can be chilly, but the days are perfect for exploring the outdoors. Bonfires become a common sight as people gather to share stories and warmth. It's a season that brings the community together in a different way, fostering a sense of camaraderie and togetherness. This cycle of seasons adds to the dynamism of life in Lakheri. Each season brings its own challenges and rewards, shaping the rhythm of life in this unique town. The people of Lakheri have learned to embrace the extremes, finding beauty and strength in the ever-changing climate. Lakheri boasts a rich cultural heritage, evident in its temples, parks and architectural marvels. The Raghunath Temple, dedicated to Lord Rama, stands as a testament to the town's spiritual devotion. Its intricate carvings and serene ambience attract devotees and visitors alike. The Zigzag Dam, an architectural marvel, showcases human ingenuity in harnessing water resources. Its unique design and strategic location make it a popular spot for picnics and outings. Sukhadia Park, with its lush greenery and vibrant flower beds, offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of town life. Mahesh Sagar Pond, a tranquil water body, adds to the town's scenic beauty. The Vidyan Range, extending beyond the town's borders, beckons adventurers and nature enthusiasts. Its rugged terrain, hidden trails and breathtaking views offer a thrilling escape. The hills are home to a variety of flora and fauna, making them a paradise for nature lovers. Trekking through the Vidyans is an exhilarating experience, allowing one to connect with nature's raw beauty. The panoramic vistas from the hilltops are simply breathtaking, providing a new perspective on the surrounding landscape. The Vidyan Range is a treasure trove of natural wonders waiting to be explored. Section 6. Reaching Lakheri, well connected. Lakheri is well connected to major cities and towns via rail and road. The town lies on the Delhi-Mumbai railway line, making it easily accessible from both the north and south of India. Regular train services connect Lakheri to major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur and Kota. State Highway 1 passes through the town, providing seamless road connectivity to nearby cities and towns. Regular bus services operate from Lakheri to various destinations in Rajasthan and neighbouring states. The town's convenient location and good connectivity make it easily accessible to travellers. Section 7. A legacy of cement. Lakheri's industrial heritage is deeply intertwined with the establishment of a cement plant in 1912. This landmark event marked a turning point in the town's history, transforming it into a hub of industrial activity. The cement plant, a pioneer in its time, played a pivotal role in the development of the region. It provided employment opportunities and spurred economic growth. Today, the cement plant stands as a testament to Lakheri's industrial prowess and its contribution to the nation's infrastructure. Section 8. A town of contrasts. Lakheri is a town of intriguing contrasts where industrial might coexists harmoniously with natural beauty. The bustling cement factory stands in stark contrast to the serene river Medj flowing gently nearby. The ancient Vidyan Hills, silent witnesses to time, provide a majestic backdrop to the town's industrial landscape. This unique blend of industry and nature defines Lakheri's character, making it a fascinating destination for those seeking something out of the ordinary. The town's ability to embrace both its industrial heritage and its natural beauty is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. Section 9. Discover Lakheri, a hidden gem. Lakheri, with its blend of cultural heritage, industrial legacy, and natural splendor, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. The town offers a unique travel experience that goes beyond the conventional tourist trail. Whether you are a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking for an offbeat destination, Lakheri has something to offer everyone. Come, explore Lakheri and uncover the treasures that lie hidden in plain sight. Experience the warmth of its people, the richness of its culture, and the beauty of its natural surroundings. Lakheri awaits, ready to captivate your senses and leave you with lasting memories.